What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another bang on the channel. Oh, we got a little loud noise going on. But in today's video, we are doing round 2 back roads with the M5. But this time, we have catless downpipes and front mount intakes. So the car is much more louder, as you guys could hear. But all I gotta say, man, is the oil temps are up, so we're ready to go. Oh my god! It is Memorial Day, so there shouldn't be any traffic on the roads, but it is looking like there is quite some traffic. Oh. Is amazing, man. You guys enjoyed the last Backroads POV drive we posted, so we're back doing another one for you guys. It is a nice sunny day, warm outside, so we're ready to go, man. We're ready to go. We changed the way we had the POV set up. Now I'm wearing, oh shit, now I'm actually wearing a hat, so you guys should be able to see a better POV than the last time we recorded POV drives. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. Yo, you guys are definitely gonna enjoy this POV for sure. Uneven surface. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is sick, man. We're slowly getting to the back roads, man. Slowly. Oh my god, that hot spot that the M5 has now that we have the downpipes is just insane. Yeah. I don't know what sound that is, but if anybody knows what that sound is making, it's crazy, man. Oh my god, it's so loud here. Yo, what the hell? Nah, guys, the car sounds insane. I'm literally in low RPMs too. Oh my god. Tracks are terrible, man. Oh my god. I think we missed our turn, man. But I don't care. Guys, this is insane. We're gonna go this way. Watch out for any cars coming. Oh yeah, we're good. Let's go. Oh my god! Oh, I don't know if you guys just heard, the intakes are going crazy. Oh my god! Holy shit, yo. You guys definitely gonna be enjoying this POV for sure. Oh my god. Guys, just smash a like button, man. If you guys are enjoying, smash a like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, because POV drives are going to be coming once a week. Oh my god. I don't know what that sound the car is making, but it just sounds way too good. And I know you guys will agree. Just go, man. It's at like Hots. Oh shit. Is that a cop? Nah. Alright, that scared me, man. I thought that was a cop getting ready to pull me over. Wait, guys, let me show you the Hots I'm talking about. Just listen, just listen. Oh my god, we gotta get a more echoed area for you guys to hear that. Let's go, let's take a right here. Let's see what's here. Oh my god, this road is crazy. A lot of potholes, but oh my god. Alright, here we go. Let's see if you guys can hear it now. Oh my god, dude. The view, man. We're in a nice area. The potholes are terrible, but let me just pop a U-turn really quick. Let's head back over there. But I really do hope you guys are enjoying. I hope the GoPro is catching all the audio, all the turbo noises, everything from this 4.4 liter twin turbo V8. And yeah, man, subscribe if you haven't already, because there's gonna be much more bangers coming soon. And yeah, man, let's get it. Slippery right there. God, it just sounds amazing, man. Look at those mountains, man. That is crazy. Wind noise here is crazy though, I'm not gonna lie. Woo! Alright. Empty. Nope, never mind, not empty. Come on, go, 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 go. Alright, let's get it. Giving these guys a show, man. Ooh. If you guys are enjoying, as always, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, because we're posting POV drives once a week. And yeah, man, let me know in the comments down below, what BMW M is your favorite M? Is it the M5 comp like this one that I'm in right now? Or do you have another BMW that you like the M3, M2, M8? Let me know in the comments down below. Me personally, obviously I have it, so all I gotta say is this is my favorite. Woo! Yo, what is up with the noise it's making today, man? Listen. Do you guys hear the fucking turbos? Oh my god, listen. Yo! The turbos sound insane. Listen, guys. That is insane. Why is this guy turning his turn signal on if he's just going down? What the hell type of... What the hell? Oh my god. Oh my god. Don't worry, bro. I'm not trying to pass you. That's what you're thinking. I'm just enjoying the car behind me, man. That's it. Oh shit. Yo, this has to be one of the best POV drives we have ever recorded. Oh my, I really hope the GoPro's catching these like whistles and these fucking whatever noise this is called, man. Holy shit! Oh my goodness! Oh my god! This car sounds amazing. That was the perfect spot to do that pull, man. Perfect spot. Holy shit. Alright, well, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video because this was definitely fun for me. Being able to come out and just enjoy the car while still recording and giving entertainment to you guys. But yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed. If not, let me know what I could have done better. And we'll see you guys in the next POV drive. I love you all. If you haven't already, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to see you guys next time. Peace out.